XLM price prediction. Today's XLM price range is 0.382 to 0.414. 50-week range is 0.0380 to 0.6008. Market capitalization 9.218 billion. Right now XLM price is 0.4066. Stellar continued to trade around $0.38 after having failed to breach the $0.44 resistance for over a month. The coin noted a 1.74% hike in the past day's time after having seen its price depreciate over the past week. If the current support range around $0.35 fails, then XLM may see a further drop to around $0.28 in the coming week. MACD indicator showed the presence of a bearish market for XLM in the near term. MACD indicator underwent a bearish crossover with the signal currently being placed above MACD line. RSI indicator showed a bit of divergence as it continued to move away from the neutral zone. We have seen Stellar has dropped earlier in this week, but still Stellar continues to fluctuate in a 4-week old range. Currently Stellar having a difficult time making a decisive move in either direction. The 100-day SMA aligns as critical support at $0.3400 and a daily close below that level could trigger a technical sell-off as it would be the first time since November and drag the price towards $0.300, which is a psychological level. Bullish shift in the technical outlook could be hard to come by because several strong hurdles are located a little above the price. Initial resistance is seen at $0.40, which is 20-day SMA, Fibonacci 50% retracement, ahead of $0.4250, which is 50-day SMA, and $0.440, which is Fibonacci 38.2% retracement. So if we look at this week's price action, we can say Stellar preserves its neutral outlook with a slightly modest bearish bias. For more technical analysis, subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.